Clean your liver naturally with apple cider vinegar and lemon water. Big pharmacies won't be happy if I share with you the secret of lemon juice and apple cider vinegar. Oh my gosh, it's unbelievable that just with lemon juice and apple cider vinegar, you can clean your own liver. Thanks to applying these great tips, it's been over 5 years since I last saw my doctor. My liver is as healthy as when I was 20 years old. All the symptoms of cirrhosis and fatty liver have disappeared very quickly. Because of that unexpected effectiveness, today I had to make this video to share with you how to clean your liver naturally with apple cider vinegar and lemon water. Hello Health Facts family, in today's video, we will learn together about the wonderful effects of apple cider vinegar and lemon juice to help clean the liver naturally. Let's dive in. 1. Apple cider vinegar and lemon juice. Natural secret to support liver function. Apple cider vinegar and lemon juice are two natural ingredients that offer a variety of health benefits, especially for the liver. The key ingredient in apple cider vinegar is not vitamins or minerals, but acetic acid. This acid has the ability to inhibit fat storage and improve metabolic health. The quality of apple cider vinegar is crucial. You should prioritize organic products, such as Bragg's, to avoid potentially harmful pesticide residues. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps balance blood sugar by increasing insulin sensitivity and reducing insulin resistance. When insulin is low, the body prevents excess fat accumulation, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and thereby reduces the risk of fatty liver, a problem that often comes from high insulin. Lemon juice is also a great choice. It contains vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect liver cells from damage caused by oxidation and free radicals. In addition, lemon provides plant compounds and citric acid, which help prevent the formation of oxalate, the main cause of kidney stones. Combining apple cider vinegar and lemon juice is a simple way to improve liver health and support digestion. Try using it every day, and you will feel the positive change: a healthy liver, a lighter body, and more energy. 2. Benefits of apple cider vinegar for digestion. Apple cider vinegar is one of the useful natural solutions for the digestive system, especially when the body is experiencing slow digestion or bloating. The outstanding effect of apple cider vinegar is to promote the digestive process thanks to its ability to stimulate the liver to secrete bile and support the pancreas to produce digestive enzymes. When you eat a large meal and feel uncomfortable, apple cider vinegar will help increase the circulation of digestive juices from the stomach to the small intestine. Thanks to that, food is broken down faster, limiting bloating and indigestion. In addition, this increased digestion also reduces the pressure on the liver and digestive system in general. A simple way to test the effectiveness of apple cider vinegar is to try drinking a small amount diluted after a meal. The result you get will be a feeling of lightness and comfort in the stomach. This is the reason why many health experts recommend apple cider vinegar as a safe and natural digestive aid. If used properly, apple cider vinegar not only improves digestive function, but also provides comprehensive support for intestinal health. 3. Benefits of lemon juice. Lemon juice, especially fresh lemon juice, brings many great benefits to liver health. Compared to bottled lemon juice, which is often sterilized by heat, fresh lemon juice retains most of the important enzymes and vitamins, especially vitamin C. This is a powerful antioxidant, playing a role in protecting the liver from free radical attacks and damage caused by oxidation. Vitamin C in lemon juice also helps the body increase the production of glutathione, another important antioxidant for the liver. Glutathione is not produced in the mitochondria, the cell's energy production site, but is needed to protect the mitochondria from damage. Supplementing vitamin C from fresh lemon juice helps maintain glutathione activity, contributing to protecting and regenerating liver function. Therefore, using fresh lemon juice in your daily diet is a natural and effective way to improve liver health, especially in the context of the liver constantly facing harmful agents from the environment and unhealthy diet. 4. Lemon juice protects the liver and reduces oxalate. Fresh lemon juice brings many outstanding benefits in protecting the liver, thanks to its abundant content of phytonutrients. These compounds, in addition to vitamins and minerals, play an essential role in protecting liver cells from the effects of chemicals and toxins that the body faces every day. As the main organ responsible for detoxification, the liver needs nutritional support to stay healthy and function effectively. In addition, lemon juice contains citric acid, which is important in reducing oxalate, a compound that can cause kidney stones or crystallize, leading to painful pain in many places in the body. Citric acid not only prevent the formation of oxalates, but also support their effective elimination. Therefore, combining lemon juice and apple cider vinegar in the diet, especially when applying the keto diet or intermittent fasting, not only optimizes the liver detoxification process, but also reduces the risk of oxalate-related problems, helping to maintain overall health. 5. Anti-inflammatory effects and how to use. One of the notable benefits of lemon juice is its anti-inflammatory ability. When the liver is fatty, the level of inflammation in the body increases, leading to collagen accumulation and scar formation. If left unchecked, this condition can progress to cirrhosis. Therefore, any solution that helps reduce inflammation brings important benefits to liver health. A natural way to support the liver is to combine lemon juice and apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which helps improve digestion and reduce pressure on the liver. Lemon juice, with its high vitamin C and antioxidants, not only protects the liver from damage, but also aids in the body's detoxification process. When combined, these two ingredients create a powerful blend that promotes liver function and reduces inflammation effectively. Simple and versatile to use. You can mix 2 ounces of fresh lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in 16 ounces of water. Drink this mixture after dinner, usually around 6 to 7 p.m., to aid digestion and improve liver health. If you want, you can try drinking it before meals in small amounts to increase digestive efficiency. To maximize the benefits, you can add a tablespoon of wheatgrass juice powder to the mixture or consume it separately in the morning. This is a simple and effective nutritional supplement that helps to naturally strengthen the liver. Thank you for watching today's video. Apple cider vinegar and lemon juice are simple but extremely effective natural ingredients in cleansing the liver and improving overall health. A healthy liver not only helps you be full of energy, but also contributes to a happy, healthy, and long life. Try applying this method today and persevere to feel the obvious changes in your body. If you find this information useful, do not hesitate to share the video with your friends and relatives so that they can also clean your liver naturally with apple cider vinegar and lemon water like you. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on great health knowledge from the Health Facts channel. We are always here to accompany you on your journey to take care of your health naturally and sustainably. Leave a comment below about your experience when trying this method. Together, we will build a community of healthy, happy, and energetic living. See you in the next videos.